always the song?
I always hear it.
Body like a blessing, saying many new and just in front of me.
Bad party.
Loving wake me up in the morning. Make you try to put the lights up. Try to do it. Put on the pressure when nobody is calling.
I don't know the rest.
Make my face light up.
Don't get no fish because you always get fish. Legit, every time we go, you get fish.
We always get meat, see me.
So, but like it's different type of meat though.
So it's still meat.
Legit, every time we come here,
That's still chicken meat.
but it's different. I either get jerk or I get it
But that's still
barbecued
chicken.
or I get it stewed. You get fried fish every time.
Like steamed fish.
I've never seen you get steamed.
Yeah.
You got steamed fish? Oh, one time, but still.
Different.
You just had steamed fish yesterday. You made fish yesterday. Can we switch it up?
No.
How about I order something for you, you order something for me?
Okay.
I'm gonna get you fish and chips.
No.
Tofu?
Sound too Chinese.
I low-key want a nachos. I can't finish the whole nachos by myself. I'm gonna get either the chicken penne pasta or some quesadillas and fries. The pasta is really good. Pasta. Anyways, we are at Chill Out Hut Beach Bar and Grill. This is actually a place that you want to come to when you, well, this is gonna be backwards in the video, but this is a place you want to come to when you're down here. Is she working at cash or is she probably in the back?
In the back.
Is she coming?
It's best.
It's best she's in the back?
Yeah. You just call her out, then she come.
Call her. We are at the gas station, yeah.
You just learned? Alright, thanks.
So we came to see Ziggy's sister, but she left. She left without telling us.
You can't bring her baby back.
Full.
I knew that.
You need it?
Oh my god. Gotti. Ziggy, we're not doing AC right now. We're not doing it. I'm sorry, we're not doing the AC. Seriously, we're not doing it.
Oh, you don't
It's too
no,
cold.
can you turn up the thing, yo?
Holy crap, no, we're not.
I turn on your thing, yo.
We're not doing the AC. We're just not doing it. We're not doing it. Can I tell you something?
I love you too.
How'd you know? You're so sweet. But can I actually say it? I love
Yeah.
you.
I love you more.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay.
Can't dance, you know, I'm belly full.
Just watch me whip.
Belly full, I
Now
can't
watch
dance.
me nay nay. Hey, now watch me whip. Whip.
dance, yeah, dance
Watch me
about
nay
the
nay. Hey. I'm having a bad hair day right now. It does not look bad in the video, but if you see the back of my head just looks like a mop. I don't know what is going on. Like the weather is freaking up my hair. And some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, your hair looks fine. Like, no. It doesn't. The back looks messed up, doesn't it?
Even though, I don't know when you missed
When
it.
I was down here and I did not do my eyebrows for 2 months, I said, Ziggy, my eyebrows. He's like, your eyebrows look fine.
It was.
And then I broke out and I'm like, hey, I gotta put some makeup on my spots. Ziggy's like, no, you look fine. Like,
I'm gonna see Cynthia throwing makeup on him today.
he likes the natural me. Like, this is the natural me. This is what he likes. You know, sometimes a lot of girls, a lot of you guys can agree with me. Like, sometimes you just want to put on makeup just to look different. Like, get that little different or enhance, like, your features. But to him, he feels like I don't need none of that. Like, this is beautiful. I mean, I'm flattered, but like, no, sometimes the spots is just not cute. But I rock my spots proudly. Shout out to Janika, aka Top Notch.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
Were you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we seen her last night. She actually makes vlogs. She's in Jamaica right now and she's vlogging. So check out her YouTube. I actually don't know her YouTube, but I'll link it down below. So if you like our yacht vibe, she carries that vibe too. We seen her last night.
Yeah, vibes, best vibes.
Bet yeah.
Yo, you know what she said last night? And I say, oh, like she say, oh, she actually like the vibes down there, so.
Yeah.
Because like a lot of things what she say, like she don't really see it in Canada.
Yeah.
So
The vibe in Canada versus out here is so different. It's so
much is
different.
better.
Honestly, I love the yacht life. I love Jamaica. Like, if I could live out here, I would. I really want to. But the only thing that scares me is just the work. Like, because I've been to school for 7 years.
yeah.
And then to come out here and just live and get paid, like, not good. I don't like that. Because what we making a freaking, like, week. Wait, what we making a day? You guys making a week. It's so crazy. I couldn't do that, man. I'm not saying it's bad, obviously, but...
No, but we actually see that here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just sad. Like, me being out here for the whole 5 months, I just look at life so differently and I appreciate what I have. Can't believe the summer's actually done already.
See it.
Oh my gosh. We've been together for what, 5 straight months and it's almost coming to... Oh, I'm not gonna say it's coming to an end. Because we got some stuff planned out.
It's in 5.
It's been 5, yeah. April's half a month though. April, May, June, July.
I can hear really this?
Yeah. Remember I finished school, I came straight. Man, time flies. I wish I could just start all over again. I'll be back. Or maybe you'll be up there. Okay, it's been a fun 5 months, but it's been a crazy 5 months as well. We've had our ups and downs, man, but we made it work. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Me whip, now watch me nail it. Hey, now watch me whip, watch me nail it. Hey.
Now watch me whip.
Ooh, watch me, ooh, watch me, ooh, watch me. Do the stanky leg, hey, do this thing. You don't do the stanky leg while you driving. Do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg.
So, from morning, like, we couldn't get nothing for video because it rained. But we left out early and go up on the work and we just come back about half an hour ago. We had plan to go up on the beach but the rain start fall. So, that cancels some. You should just jump in and shower me there easy back. Go and reason with my old lady.
No, old lady not there. Old lady not there. I thought you were sitting.
I'm there reason with the young girl then.
No.
Or at girl. My at mother.
If I can drop there, young lady.
Yeah?
The lady can't get up there.
Oh yeah, plan to go on the road in a little bit. Check out one little one thing or a bigger man I deal with. And then we have a little football thing I go on little Morris Park. I'll be playing. He should be watching. I guess she's gonna be my cheerleader for tonight.
Yes!
Hope so. I even want to pull off a prank on her right now. I have this. I want to drop in upon her, but
Come in.
the big woman here get mad, say you don't want him play smoke up. So I guess you have to cut that out.
Rain.
But see ya. Here rain, there's wet. Huh?
The fuck, Ziggy? You're not funny.
You know say, I
So
should know
this is my sister Tovia. Tovia said hi. And this is Miss Pauline, my wife. My mom. Mom. Smile, mom.
So I
How you doing?
Hi, Ziggy Bear.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
How you doing?
This is really weird because the camera's
How
never
you
usually
doing?
on. I'm good, how are you?
How you doing?
This is how we feeling tonight.
No, you're not feeling that. I'm feeling that.
No, we.
I didn't get it from me. You got it from
I will
myself.
pop it on you.